I'm Dave Ford, and in this screencast I'm going to show how we can embed a YouTube video into Moodle. Now it's very straightforward to embed a whole YouTube video into a Moodle area. And you can do this into any area where you get this WYSIWYG editor. That's this set of icons that appear at the top of an area that you can edit. So it could be a page, a label, a book, a quiz question, a quiz answer, all sorts of things, and this can be very powerful. So first of all, I need to find a video on YouTube, and it can be any video. Here I'm going to use one of my own videos, but you can use any video which allows embedding, which will be most of them. So having found the video that you want, if you scroll down, what we need to do is underneath it there's a button that says share. So I'm going to click on the word share, and then under that there is an option for embed. So we can click on embed, and what it will do is it will give you your embed code in this box here. It's already highlighted blue. So normally you could just go Control and C, which is a shortcut for copy, and then we can put it in. Now, there's a couple of things we can do before that. You can actually set the size to whatever size you want. So if I'm going to have more than one video on the same page, I will usually have them so that they're all the same width, because it just looks a bit tidier rather than having different width videos appearing. And when I'm working in Moodle, I set a sort of standard. I don't go bigger than 500. So in this case, I'm going to drop 500 in the width. It will automatically work out the appropriate size for the height, and you'll see here it's changed the embed code for those options. The other thing that I'll do is I'll make sure that each of these boxes are unticked, so I'll leave none of them ticked, and that can be very useful later on if we do things like cropping the videos. So once we've done that, all I need to do is highlight and then copy. So you can either do right click and copy, or Control C, or if you're on a Mac, Command C. So we copy the embed code. I'm then going to go back to my Moodle area. All we need to do is we need to look for the HTML button. So it's in the bottom row of 3 of icons. Towards the right hand side there's a button that says HTML. If I click on that, what it will do is it will bring up what's called the HTML editor. So it's this box here, and I'm just going to resize it so we can see the bottom of it, if you'll let me. And we just paste. So Control V or Command V is a shortcut for paste, and we put that embed code into the HTML editor. And we then click on the button that says Update, which appears at the bottom of that editor. It's just off the bottom of the screen. And what should happen now is that video should appear inside this area here. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, that's what's happening at the moment, but you should see a black block appearing, and that's where the video is going to sit. When I click on this button here to go back to the small screen and then go to the bottom and click on save, that will then show you that video embedded into the area. Now the key with embedding videos is you have the option here of writing some text above the video and again below the video. So if we're setting it for students, we can give them a question, so watch the video and then answer this question, or we could ask them to critique the video, or we could ask them to focus on a certain part of the video. And I think it's really important that we give the students an instruction as to why they're going to be watching it. With this technique here, if we do it this way, it will work if the students access it on a mobile device like a phone, as well as if they're accessing it on a computer. And that's how easy it is to embed a whole video directly into Moodle.